easiest way to start your own online fishing tackle shop. 1, buy some materials from Jan's Net Craft, Barlow's Tackle. Just buy a bunch of stuff. Budget $100 or something. Make some lures or rigs, whether live bait or artificial, doesn't matter. Go fishing and get video of you catching fish with your lures and rigs. What are you doing, Mr. Drum? Huh? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Nice drum. Nice drum. Mr. Drum, what have you been doing? List your wares for sale on eBay or Etsy, or preferably both. And then 5, once you make your first sale, you're in business. From there, it's just a matter of scale and personal preference and things like that to take it wherever you want it to go. Simple.